Hey guys, in this video we're going to install MicroPython on a Raspberry Pi Pico that has already had CircuitPython installed onto it. So by default, the Picos that I bought have had MicroPython on them by default, but I installed CircuitPython and here I am attempting to install MicroPython over that. Now, full disclosure, I'm not 100% sure if I was successful at this, but I'm going to show you the steps that I went through. So I have not gotten far enough with MicroPython to really be able to verify this. But anyways, here we go. We're going to start off by unplugging this. We're going to hold down the boot cell button and plug it back in, and we are then going to try to copy the files over to the drive here. So yeah, let's see here, open another window, and we're going to have one window with the downloaded software from the MicroPython site. And here's the Raspberry Pi Pico in the other window, right? So I have both of them. I'm going to drag this firmware over, and hopefully this works. I have not verified this, so this is about all I'm going to be showing you. Hopefully this helps somebody, but yeah, this is not the most useful video, but I still kind of felt like I should share this anyways. Stay tuned for an updated, better video, and that's about it for today. Again, yeah, I'm uploading this video against my better judgment, but hopefully it helps somebody.